investor family. It is the Casual Crypto Investor, and I am back with another video. I hope everyone is having a great day. Wanted to make some content for you guys. I know it feels like I'm beating a dead horse, but guys, I am so bullish on Ondo Finance, guys. I know I've been doing a couple of videos on that, but we have some information I want to share with you in terms of some catalysts that could spark some big price jumps for Ondo Finance. And so been a big advocate for it. Absolutely love what they're doing in the real world asset space, especially with stocks and all this kind of stuff. We have a couple of one big announcement from Ondo Finance that they tweeted today. So let's get into it, guys. Sorry, a little scatterbrain, had a crazy day, but yeah, man, this heat has been kicking my butt. So no, nevertheless, man, I got a nice cold beverage, and yeah, man, just trying to kind of unwind a little bit. But nevertheless, let's get into it. So currently, right now, the market is down. A lot of this is due to the T word being back on the table for a lot of countries. What I mean by the T word, tariffs are happening a lot. We have obviously conflict overseas too as well. So a lot of things are kind of coming back on the table. So the market is currently down right now, a little bit over 0.5%. Bitcoin has fallen a little bit, roughly over $2,000. It's down at 107,000. Ethereum is still hanging in there, just slightly above 2,500. XRP has retraced back. Now I saw it as high as $2.30, but currently right now it is down as well. And then let's take a look at Ondo Finance. I think it's still ranked number 38 right now. I think Ondo Finance at 77 cents right now is a steal, in my opinion. If I had a little bit more dry powder on the side, I definitely would be pulling the trigger, but I'm going to have to wait till next Friday to jump in on some Ondo Finance. But yeah, I'm super bullish on this particular project. And as I mentioned to you as well, we had a red day on the stock market, down over 400 points. And so again, a lot of this is due to various countries that Donald Trump has said that he's going to increase tariffs on, as well as conflict overseas. So we have still that on the table. All right. But nevertheless, quick shameless plug. Feel free to follow me on my X account. You can follow me at the Casual Crypto Investor. Great way for you to stay in contact with me if you want to stay updated, not just what's happening in the overall crypto space, but what's happening with the Casual Crypto Investor community. Make sure to give me a follow on X. All right. So this happened earlier this afternoon around 4 p.m. This is a new chapter. This is from Ondo Finance. All right. Highly recommend that you follow them on X2 as well. They push a lot of great content and also update the community on what they're working on. It says a new chapter for capital markets begins this summer. Get ready. Ondo stocks are coming. And so if you watch one of my previous videos, I mentioned that Ondo is going to be tokenizing stocks. And so I think that is going to be absolutely insane if they're able to do that. Not sure if at any point they're looking to go public, but Ondo is, as you know, is working with a lot of big organizations. I highly recommend that you check out their website, but they're working with Ripple, Franklin Templeton, SWE, Securitize, Solana, Goldman Sachs, BlackRock. I mean, the list goes on and on. So they are working with some heavy hitters, guys. And I think, in my opinion, they are going to be a player. I can easily see this being a top 10, top 15 crypto easily. And I'm being conservative when I say that. And so Ondo is making some big moves when it comes to the RWA space. And I think it's good that we're here early. But again, I just love what they're doing. And I think that we'll be patting ourselves on the back years down the road, because we took the initiative to invest in this project. All right. And then shout out to Jay Chains. He did a great job of a Twitter post talking about some of the updates that we need to know in regards to Ondo Finance. So I wanted to share this information with you. Highly recommend that you give him a follow on X. He says, number one, Ondo Global Markets is launching imminently a new area of on-chain access to U.S. stocks, bonds, ETFs, built for global investors. So we already know that is going to be a huge catalyst for Ondo. Number two, another catalyst is that $250 million, which I mentioned earlier in one of my other videos, to fund the real world economy, backed by Pantera Capital. Catalyst will invest in team building the next wave of tokenized finance. So DeFi projects, trading infrastructure, interoperability tools, compliant rails, all that good stuff is going to be built with Ondo Finance. All right. And then lastly, or excuse me, second to lastly, number three, Ondo acquired SEC registered Oasis Pro. So this move gives Ondo the ecosystem a broker dealer license, alternative trading systems, and registered transfer agent. It's not just hype. This is regulatory infrastructure that puts them light years ahead of competitors, because honestly, I can't think of another project outside of maybe like, well, they're I think they're on track to start doing this. They necessarily haven't done it yet, but I mean, I love XDC too as well. But I just see right now, I just see the backing behind Ondo is a lot greater than with XDC, just in my opinion. But lastly here, I think, which is also important, it says number 4, Global Markets Alliance is forming. So major wallets exchanges like Wallet, by OKX and joining Ondo to give users instant exposures to tokenized real world assets. As I've mentioned several times, I think this is going to be a project that is going to be utilized a lot by the big players. And because of that, I think the price of Ondo Finance, I mean, who's to say? Who's to say? Could Ondo be like another Yearn Finance? You know, and if you don't know what Yearn Finance is, let me see. I think it's let me pull it up here. Let me see here. I think it is Yearn Finance is one of the top in terms of price. Hold on, let me pull it up here. I think it's Yearn, Yearn. Let's see, I think it's Yearn Finance, right? Oh yeah, Yearn Finance right here. So yeah, Yearn Finance is at $5,000 per token. All right, so I don't know. I mean, I know it's what ranked number 199 right now, but I mean, look at that, 500, or excuse me, five grand per token. So I think Yearn Finance, I think Ondo could easily be maybe another Yearn Finance in my opinion. We'll still see, but who knows? But I'm definitely wanting to accumulate more and more Ondo Finance at 77 cents versus 5 grand. Okay. All right. But guys, and then also too as well, definitely check out XDC. They're doing a lot of great things too as well. They have some other, let me pull up their partnerships. I think they have some partnerships here. Yeah, so they're working with some partners. They're doing RWA stuff as well. They're working with Anchor. They're working with I want to say also Ripple was also working with them too as well, if I'm not mistaken. But nevertheless, definitely check out XDC because they are doing stuff in the trade finance space as well as RWA tokenizations too as well. And so I'm definitely this is another crypto that I'm definitely bullish on. And they're obviously trying to get more and more people to build on their network too as well. But right now, for me, Ondo is one that I'm just going to be stacking my bags up on and acquiring more. So, guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this. Are you pro Ondo? What do you like about it? What do you hate about it? Let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this content, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.